What is happening, YouTube? We are back. My name is Tyler. I'm a Stone Island the CP Company reseller, and welcome back to Clobber Island. Today we have got a £3,000 delivery here full of CP Company and Stone Island items. I'm really excited about this one. There were some insane bits that my supplier sent me, and I can't wait to see them in person. Just want to quickly say a massive thank you to everyone that's subscribed to the channel lately and watched our videos. I really appreciate your support. So let's get stuck in. So as you can see, this is the box unopened. It's got my name on it as well. UPS absolutely love to put my name on them. Absolutely buzzing to see what's inside this delivery. There were some beautiful pieces in there. A lot of beiges and browns and that kind of colour, which to be honest, I absolutely love. I'm not sure if you guys are into the neutral kind of colours. Let's get stuck in and see what I mean? Like the greens and the browns, all that kind of stuff. I don't really wear green that much myself. I don't think it's really my colour. But I wish it was, because there's so much nice clothes out there you can get in green. Speaking of nice clothes in green, up first we've got a Stone Island Ghost hoodie, brand new with tags, khaki green. Now that is absolutely beautiful. What do we think of that? Ghost. This one's a size large, but I think they do fit quite big. So we're looking at it. I reckon it's about 23 bits a bit. That'll be on the, obviously everything will be going on the website, guys, so make sure after this video you check the website, clobberisland.co.uk. Also check our Instagram at Clobber Island, drop us a follow, and on the Instagram I'll tell you when I'm uploading stock, and then it'll go on the website, so make sure you don't miss out. CP Company caps, got a black one, a white one, blue one, and also a CP Company grey beanie. That is very nice, isn't it? CP Company t-shirt in grey in a size medium. We've got this CP Company, Primaloft insulated puffer jacket. This one here is a medium. Pretty sure we've got a few of these in all different sizes. So this is what they look like. It's called a walnut colour. So it's like a brown. You've got the arm lens there. Obviously Primaloft insulated. You've also got a tuck away hood, which is in the zip there. Very nice, there you go, look. Then you got your hood as well, so you can have the hood or you can have it without the hood. I quite like it with the hood. I must say I quite like it with the hood. You got utility pockets on the front. This one's a size medium. Again, they are brand new tags and they are very nice colour as well. I like them a lot. Got another one here. This one is a large. They're £480 retail. I'm gonna guess that we can do them for about half of that. This is a large one. They're bomber jackets, right? So as you can see, they come up a little bit short. On the arms, they fit quite nice. Nice bomber jackets. I think it goes quite well with my new haircut. What do you think? I look a bit like a geezer, you know what I mean? Next bag we have got, it's so nice. Oh my God, it's a Stone Island Ghost quarter zip with buttons like sweatshirt, beige Ghost, look at that, beige Ghost. Really nice, sort of thick material. Size large as well. Wow, I might have to keep it. I can't, man. That is so nice. Wow, that's beautiful. Another medium CP Company t-shirt. Exactly the same as the last one we showed. Same size. Sorry, don't remember ordering two of them, but fair enough. Then we've got a very nice piece. You know the membranas with the zips across? Like the utility one, like the red one I had last time. This is exactly the same, but it's black. And I think this is a medium. We've got a few medium bits in today, because I haven't got much medium in lately, just due to the fact that people don't really buy mediums as much, so it's sort of slower to sell. But we have sold quite a lot now, so I'm looking at getting a few bits in. So we've got some nice bits in. Black membrana jacket in medium. I can't imagine that going around very long. I mean, if that was my size, I'd be all over it. Another membrana in a blue colour this time. And this one to me looks like, 2XL. These are the two badges it's come with. One on the inside, one on the outside. Now, what do you guys think? Which one do you think is real and which one do you think is fake? Right or left? Tell me what you think. And then there's the back. Let me know in the comments, guys, which ones do you think are real and fake. Oh yeah, very nice jacket. 2XL that one. Up next, another navy blue Ghost jumper. It's like a knit, like a navy blue, like a knit Ghost. It's got the different colour arms there, which is obviously something a little bit different, but it's like a really nice navy blue colour. Navy blue / black. And this one is in a used condition, just needs a wash, that's all. Looks like it's in really nice condition. So 2XL that one. 2XL, I feel like it looks more like an XL. Up next, nice black knitted jumper. And I believe this one here is in a size large, is indeed, and it's brand new with tags. Very smart piece, that, very nice. Just a black knit jumper, cannot go wrong. Definitely essential for any collector's wardrobe. Got that cheeky business meeting, take the badge off, go in, you know. Later on you're going for lunch, bang the badge back on. What is this? Garment dye performer Teller jacket. Nice black Teller, is it? In a large. Hang on, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is a large. It is a large. Think of that, boys. It's not brand new, it's like new though. This has not been worn much at all. Very nice, lightweight black jacket. I mean, I'm a 23 pits pit, like you guys know. I'd say this is probably 22.5. I wonder if I'm exactly right about that. But yeah, really, really smart. I like it a lot. I do, I really like this. This is really nice. Wow. A lot of stuff you'll see online, yeah, it looks so much better in person, doesn't it? When he was showing me this, I was a bit like, oh, I don't know. And then I was like, go on, I'll have it. And I'm happy I got that now, because that is beautiful. 2 out of 4 bags down, guys. Up next, we've got Teddy Fleece Zip Up Hoodie. My supplier told me that these are very, very hard to get. They were only sold for a short period of time, so there's not loads of them. This one is in a size large. It's in like a blacky purple colour. And yeah, very sought after. What do you guys think of these? Is this something you'd be interested in buying? Obviously it'll be up on my website very, very soon. I'll tell you what, it's lovely, nice and warm. Nice and warm, very sought after piece. This one's in a large. So yeah, is this something you guys are picking up? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if it's fit of you. I think it's absolutely stunning. I will tell you one thing though, he drove a hard bargain on this one. You know, I got charged quite a lot of money for it because apparently they do sell for a high amount. So I'm hoping he was right and I haven't just lost a load of money. Up next, the old trusty jackets. They never fail. Whenever we get them in, they sell within a week. Let's hope this one sells within a week again as well. A Musala Gamata jacket. Is this one a 30th anniversary? Unfortunately, it's not a 30th anniversary. Tell you what though, I don't know exactly how old this jacket is, but wow, it's in great condition. Alright, so this one here is in practically new condition. I don't know the age. It's pre-30 though, guys, which means it's before 2014, and it is absolutely pristine condition. You know, the jacket just still feels new. Like the tags don't even look like they've got any marks on them, like anything whatsoever. Weird. Someone just bought this and just had it in their wardrobe. Never actually worn it. The badge looks brand new as well. Great, it's going to be a great find for someone. But like I say, this is an XL and I would downsize them because it fits me perfectly and I'm a large. You do have to downsize in these jackets. Sorry, not downsize. Sorry, you do have to upsize in these jackets. So if you're a large, buy XL. If you're a medium, buy a large because they do come quite tight. This one's an XL and it will fit a large perfectly. The final bag now. CP Company DD Shell Body Warmer. This nice blue colour. Badge on these is around the back there. And this one is a size large. Retails for £450. Don't worry, I won't be selling it that much. I'll be going for a bargain compared to that price. But yeah, sick. What do you think of this, boys? Nice DD Shell Body Warmer. I'll tell you something, body warmers fly out. They're in and out. There's one good thing about body warmers. People definitely love body warmer, don't they? Got another one here. This one's a size medium. Do you know what? Bit tight, but I'm on the bigger side of large. I'm not a skinny large. I'm a 23 pits P, which means I have to wear the bigger larges. And that's a medium, and it's not that bad. So if you're a skinny large, might fit you. Up next, we've got another one of these Primaloft puffers. This one is an XL. So we've got medium, large, and XL available in these lovely, lovely Primaloft jackets. And then finally, my favourite jacket that the CP Company do. I had one before and I sold it the same day I got it. The CP Company Chrome R jacket. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. So they're chrome, which is like CP Company's version of nylon. They got the lens on the arm, they shine, they're warm as fuck. They're just all round weather jackets. I mean, you could buy this and wear it at any point in the year. It's actually too big for me, which means it's an XL, this one, boys. So this should fly out, all right? This should absolutely fly out. I can't imagine it's gonna hang around for very long. They're very, very popular, and it's in a perfect size as well. Retail almost £700. So I will be selling it for around about half of that. Head over to clobberisland.co.uk if you want to grab this stuff, guys. I really appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Every time I get a drop, I do a video, and I've always got some really nice bits coming in. And yeah, if you guys have any ideas for any other videos, let me know and I'll take a look. Appreciate you all watching. Peace out.